Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to correct artifacts due to subject motion during diffusion-weighted MRI scan using Solid plugin for ExploreDTI. The necessary MATLAB classes for Solid are available at GitHub. If you need ExploreDTI, check the link below for ExploreDTI's homepage. After downloading Solid classes, you need to add them to your MATLAB path or extract them to ExploreDTI source directory. In MATLAB, first launch ExploreDTI, then type solid_edti_plugin on the MATLAB command line to enable Solid. Settings for Solid are added to the end of ExploreDTI settings menu. Use the settings to add use thresholds or outlier detection method. Solid provides two plugins. The first is for alternative subject motion and eddy current correction, and the second is for visual quality assurance. Now you can open your data in ExploreDTI. If you need help to convert your DICOM or Nifty data to ExploreDTI's MAT files, please see the link below for ExploreDTI's manual. As I scroll through the slices, you will notice that every second of them has an unusual red tint. This is an example how a severe Slicewise artifact can hinder the accurate tensor modeling. Let's open the quality assurance tool to visualize the problem. Data you have loaded to ExploreDTI is available in Solid as well. Outlier detection in the current version of Solid works per cell or p-value. The p-value can be changed at the top right corner. I'm opening a cell with p-value of 1000. You can browse axial slices by scrolling the mouse middle button. Or, if you wish to browse volumes instead, just hold Ctrl down while scrolling. You can also use the sliders at the top. Similar to axial slices, you can change coronal and sagittal slices by hovering mouse over them and scrolling the middle button. To jump directly to a specific slice and volume, click the outlier map on the right side. You can also verify if masking was successful by clicking Show Mask. To study different methods for outlier detection, I'd use the settings. This could be helpful if your data contains some specific artifact like ghosting. After you finish your observations, you can save the results from File menu. Please note that this was a simple quality assurance step. It did not correct your data. You must do the subject motion correction using the first Solid plugin for ExploreDTI. After the correction, load the new data to ExploreDTI. As you can see, now the unusual red tint has disappeared from every second slice and the tensor modeling is more accurate. Thanks for watching. Check the links below for more help.